Hello and very warm welcome to swift4 YouTube channel. In today's video you are going to learn about animations in iOS. Today's we are going to learn about fade in fade out animation using swift4. I already created a single view application template, so if you haven't done so far you can create your own project. Open up your main.storyboard storyboard and here I will make some UI, change the background color to this, and I will create a UI button and we will place it here. Make a constraint of 12 and make it horizontal in container, and we will change the text to menu, or you can say options. And here what we do, we will UI view and we will drag it here, place it 15 pixel to the button, and width will be this and height will be this and this, and centrally placed to the button. Now open up your view controller and here first we will create an IV action that will show it is touch up inside, and here are the show view with animations, and here, and we will create an outlet for this. I will say it's VW container, and here it is. So now we are set up and we will open our view controller file. So here let me move this so it looks. So here we have our function IB action, and so initially what we do, we specify self.vw container.alpha so that we will hide is 0.0, and here we will place a check if self.vcontainer.alpha is equals to 0 and 0, then show us the view with fade in fade out animations, and else we'll hide the view with fade out animation. It is a fade in animation. So here, in order to create the fade in fade out animation, we will use UIView animation, and here's a UIView dot animation. So here are so many methods, you can use one of them. So we will say animation with duration and delay option. So here we will specify it 1.5, delay will be 1.2, options will be dot, curve is in out, you can say curve is in, that is animation to begin slowly, and then speed up is in out, that begins slowly, accelerate in the middle and then slow again. Curve is out, animation to begin quickly and then slow as it completes. So let's try this one, and here we will write down the code. We didn't need any completion handler, so I will omit this, and here we will write our code. Self.vwcontainer.alpha is equals to 1.0, that is we are showing our room. Similarly, what we do, we will copy this and paste this, and here we will set the alpha to 0.0. So now let's run the app on simulator and see if it's doing the same, that is fade in fade and animation. In the meantime, what we do, we can make our view more nicer. We container dot layer dot corner radius is equals to 5.0. So here's the app is running. So here if I tap on options, it says the view with fade in animation and it's a fade out. So now let's run again because I gave the corner radius to 5.0 and it will look more nicer. So here it is. When I tap on options, it shows the view and there is a curve on the rounded corners, and if I press again it hides. So this is a very small tutorial that telling you how you can perform UIView animation, that is fade in fade out animations using UIView.animate with durations function. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do share this video, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get future updates of our new video release. Till then, take care and goodbye and thanks for watching. Bye for now.